Hello, how are you today?
I'm I'm good.
What is your English name?
My name is William.
How old are you?
I, I'm 11 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in the village.
Can you describe this picture?
You must wash your hand. You must turn off your my phone. You must swim here.
Okay, describe the difference of the two pictures.
There was a motorbike. There were
There
other.
wasn't any motorbikes
There were
here or here.
is 200 years ago.
Very good.
There wasn't any trace 200 years ago. There any plane 200 years ago.
Okay, finish. Next, describe the difference of the two pictures.
She suck and the Jones out.
When she was 2 years old.
Yes. There's family say 8 years old. Their long hair
She was.
8 years old.
She had again.
She finished year of 8 years old.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.